If you identify typos that run through an entire Word document, the Find and Replace command in Microsoft Word can help you fix it. Today we are going to learn how to find and replace text in Microsoft Word. Subscribe, share, like, and comment. Click on the Home tab and navigate to the Editing group and click the Replace command. When the Find and Replace dialog box appears, from the Replace button, type the word you want to find in the Find What box. Let's type the wrong spelling of end in this box. Move down a bit and type the word you want to replace in the Replace With box. Let's type the correct spelling of end. There are many options you can apply to your document when it comes to using the Find and Replace dialog box. For instance, you can match case, find a whole word only, find a text based on specific formatting, and many others. Click the Find Next button to find the word end, which has been wrongly spelled. You can now click the Replace button to replace end with the correct spelling of end. Or click Replace All button to find and replace all occurrence of the word end within the entire document with the correct spelling of end. When you are done with the command, Microsoft Word will prompt you in regard to the number of replacements that have been done. Click OK. You can then close the dialog box and you are good to go. In our next tutorial, we will learn how to insert Excel spreadsheet in a Microsoft Word document. Tech Tricks GH. Subscribe, share, like, and comment.